Hi everyone! Welcome back to another wedding planning video. I have my iced latte here. I've been trying to drink less syrup, so this is literally just like milk and espresso. It's pretty good. I learned that the secret to liking just like a plain latte is to have good espresso beans. Go figure. But I use Ferris coffee beans, which is like a local coffee roaster in Grand Rapids, so I'm loving my lattes lately. Also, brand new filming spot. This is in my office. I just DIY'd this cabinet behind me. So it's like the IKEA iBar cabinets, which are just like unfinished wood cabinets that you can buy from IKEA. And I painted them and screwed them together. Like this is 3 of them. And I put little legs on the bottom. So I made a TikTok or like a short form video about it, but I did not have the heart to film all of it. I was like, I don't want this to be all over my house for more than a day. So I did the whole thing in basically like 48 hours. But today we're doing another wedding planning video. I think I'm officially gonna call it a series because I'm just gonna take you along with me with all my DIYs, mood boarding, and like all the wedding choices that you have to make. I figure I may as well share it because other people are going through the same thing, and hopefully this either is entertaining to you or inspires you, or you can help me as I struggle through this for the first time. So today we're talking about how I did my save the dates in Canva. I decided to do them in Canva because when I was looking at other sites, I didn't love the like designs, and I know I could design them in Canva and upload them there, but I just thought it was easier to like do the whole thing in Canva and order them through Canva. So we will be unboxing this today. So obviously this is my first time getting married, so I did not know like what I was supposed to do, when I was supposed to send out save the dates, invitations, whatever. So what I learned is that most couples send a save the date like up to or over a year in advance so that people like don't book anything else, don't book like a vacation a year out. And then you send your invitations like 4 to 5 months out. If you send them any earlier, I guess like people can't quite commit to that date yet. They like don't feel like they can RSVP right away. So people will just like forget to RSVP, and then you have to track everyone down. I think there's gonna be like a little bit of tracking down that I have to do based on what like my friends are saying, but I have a higher likelihood of people responding if I send them like closer to the event. Originally, I just wanted to save the money and like not do save the dates, just do invitations like early. Okay, so my camera just said internal temp was too high, which I'm like, we filmed for 5 minutes, so get your act together. You're part of this team. Wait, what is it? You're part of this team. You're staying until the routine is clean. I'm not a professional. I'm just making a video. So I decided, whatever, I'm just gonna do both a save the date and an invitation. YOLO, whatever. So I'm gonna show you how I design the invitations on Canva and then show you the final result. Okay, so you're gonna go to canva.com. You can make a free account. You can also pay for like the pro version, but there is a lot of free stuff. I only started using the pro version because I wanted to like cut out backgrounds and use it for like my photography business. You can browse through different types of design templates. If you like scroll to the right here, you'll see an invitation. This is a square invitation, but I actually want like a portrait invitation. So you can create a blank one right here, and then on the left here you'll see all of these different templates that are like perfect and beautiful. There's a lot of really nice fonts. If you are like not knowing where to start, I would just go for a template, and that's what I did. I just found a template that I really liked the script of and the overall design, and then you can change it, put your own photos in there, like move where the words are and everything. So yeah, you can find some really beautiful ones and just find the one that speaks to you. And then I'm gonna show you the one that I actually made. I'm certain this was the name of the template that I used, the like trendy, simple, elegant, save the date, minimalist wedding. So this is what mine turned out like. I ended up moving these words from the bottom to the top because that's where there was like blank space in my image, and then I changed it up a little bit. I just wanted it to look clean, and then I did a second template on a second page because I wanted there to be a back to the save the date. So the front is just like save the date, here's our date, And then I wanted a photo of us smiling too. Like, I liked the aesthetic of the like blurry photo with a lot of negative space for the front. But I also know that like my family members probably want a smiling photo to like hang on their fridge and not like some artsy. Maybe they want that, but I thought I'd give them 2 options to hang on their fridge. And I just put in like our date, the city, all the details are gonna be in the next formal invitation. Now, I decided to order my invites through Canva. So what I did is just hit print invitations in the top right corner, and then you can actually see a preview, and it's actually so cute to see like what it would look like in person. But yeah, you want to make sure that both pages are selected on the front and back, and then you can go ahead and choose your paper type. I thought that I selected deluxe paper, but I guess I did not. So I got premium paper for the save the dates. I think I'm gonna do deluxe for the invitations when I do those in a few months. And then you can choose the finish, so I chose matte. And then you can select the amount of invitations you need to order, which we can get into that, like guest lists and doing your venue, maybe in another video. And then I decided to include the envelopes for my save the dates because I didn't want to go and buy separate envelopes. And then you just continue and go through with your order. But I figured with the save the dates, I just wanted to like make it easy, order everything. I actually already have envelopes for my formal invitations, so I'm not gonna order the envelopes through Canva for the invitations. I'm gonna do like my custom ones and make them a little more fancy. But now it's time to unbox. So I haven't looked at them and like pulled them all out yet. I like took a look at one, and that's how I knew that I ordered the wrong type of paper. So this is the box that it comes in. It's really cute. I just like ripped off my address here. But I guess they plant a tree every order, so that's very nice. It's recycled material, and it's just like a cute little presentation. So let's take a look. Beautiful. Oh, this is so interesting. It's like all one piece. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then they have all of the envelopes. There's like 2 little packets of these, and I actually really love the paper on these. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's like textured, it feels nice. It's not just like a standard envelope. And then these are the save the dates. So they are thin. So they're like nice, like cardstock. Can you hear that? They're cardstock, but they're not like a thick like card almost. So for my invitations, like I said, I'll be doing the thicker card. But this is what they look like. The colors look really good, surprisingly. Like, I'm a photographer, and so I like really care about colors and usually do like professional print shops for photos. They must use like some sort of professional printing because the colors look honestly pretty accurate. I would say the colors aren't quite as saturated as like the original edit, but they honestly look pretty good for a really good price. So I got 100 save the dates, and they ended up being 79 cents per with the envelopes. So I honestly think that's a really good price. This is not the cheapest you could probably get out there in this world, but I think it's a really fair price for the quality. And these envelopes are really nice, honestly. I'm surprised. But yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out how to print onto envelopes. I know there's a way to do it, and it may need some trial and error, but I'm going to figure it out, and I'll hopefully, fingers crossed, make a video on how to do that, because I feel like if you have a printer, you may as well. It saves a lot of probably arthritis in your hand. So, well, thank you for watching another wedding planning video. Subscribe if you want to watch and follow along with my wedding planning journey and whatever else I bring to this channel. I have a lot going on always, so who knows what the future may hold. Have a good rest of your day, guys.